Experience the power of precision with the GSM 5W wet milling machine. Engineered for versatility, built for performance, precision in motion. Watch the GSM 5 West wet milling machine bring lithium disilicate to life. From inlays to crowns, micron-level accuracy ensures flawless restorations. High-speed milling, 10 to 30 minutes per unit. 5-axis vertical architecture meets every curve, every detail, unleashing titanium's potential. 90 precision machining of pre-milled titanium blanks, done with power and stability. Breakpoint resume keeps your workflow uninterrupted, even in complex jobs. Smarter, faster, more versatile, supports multiple materials. PME, lithium disilicate, titanium, 5-axis 5-linkage system. Expand your capability. Choose GSM 5, where accuracy